Good morning, students. I am Dr. Nitesh Kumar Mishra, and today I teach you about sentence. And this lecture is for Upshastri first year. Sentence. What is sentence? Sentence: a group of words that makes a complete sense. A group of words that makes a complete sense. Always remember, a complete sense is must to become a sentence. If I say Radha eats a mango, Shyam is going to Patna. That you understand what I say? Yes. But if I say Radha Mohan eat go sit mango guava, what is meaning? There is no meaning. So you cannot say this is sentence. This is group of words, but this is not a sentence. A sentence makes when words makes complete sense. Okay? So now a group of words, not a group of words that makes a complete sense is called the sentence. As Radha is a good girl, Mohan reads a book, you are my teacher, we are a student, Shyam is going to Patna, we are dancing, you are reading, and etc. There are three kinds of sentence. There are three kinds of sentence as simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. Simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. Simple sentence. One subject and one predicate makes a simple sentence. In a simple sentence, one subject and one predicate. As Govind is dancing, Raju is reading a letter, you are eating guava. Compound sentence. A compound sentence is made up of two or more principal or main clauses. A compound sentence is made of two or more principal or main clauses. As the moon was bright and we could see our way. Night come on and rain fall heavy, we got very wet. Complex sentence. A complex sentence consists of one main clause and one or more subordinated clause. As the boxer advanced into the ring, the people said they would not allow them to fight. Do you understand what is the difference between compound and complex sentence? In a compound sentence makes two or more independent clause or sentence. But in complex sentence, one independent and one dependent clause. As Ram is going to Patna and Mohan is reading at home. Both are different and joined by and. These are compound sentence. In complex sentence, if you give me 10 rupees, I give you an apple. Okay? Have you any problem? Then call me. Okay? Bye bye.